How to make reverse video using BN app. Okay friends, let's start. First import a video that you want to make reverse video. Okay, then duplicate the video. Simply click on video and click duplicate. Okay, now click on forward. Move on starting. Okay, now click on fill. Now selecting this clip, go to mask and choose a liner. Keep this mask line in the middle. Just use your finger. Okay. Now select your first clip and go to reverse. Wait until it finish. Okay. Now see the result. So friends, this enough for make reverse video in BNF. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel.